This is Mushin, Lagos. This is one of the biggest places to buy foams and mattresses in Nigeria. From luxury orthopedic foams to regular sleeping mattresses, this market supplies homes, hotels, and businesses across Lagos and beyond. But first, how are these foams made, sold, and being priced? Let us go find out. So guys, I am right here at Amu bus stop, where they sell foams, where you can actually get foams and pillows in Mushin Market. So this is Mushin Market post office. Whenever you're coming to get like a foam or something, you just tell them post office. This behind me is where we have to go to the market now and tour around to see where to get like those things. So let's go. You see, before foams reaches this market, they are being produced in factories. Every foam production starts with chemical materials like polyols and isocyanates being mixed together. Then they are being poured into a large rectangular mold to form large foam blocks. These blocks are left to rise, to dry, and cool off before they are being cut into different sizes. After cutting, the foams are being inspected, wrapped, and prepared for sale. Some foams are produced locally in Nigeria, while others are supplied by major manufacturers.
Yes.
Okay.
And this size now, this is the highest size, 20 inches. You see.
Okay.
This is 4.5 by 6.
Okay, 4.5 by 6.
Yes, we also have 6 by 6.
In Nigeria, some well-known foam manufacturers supply Mushin markets. These foams companies produce different foam qualities for different budgets, from premium materials to affordable options. Mushin is a major distribution point. After production, these foams are sealed tightly with nylon to protect them from water and dirt. They are then being transported by trucks and buses to markets like Mushin. From here, retailers and bulk buyers take them to different parts of Lagos and other states. There are different types of foams being sold here. We have orthopedic foams. Okay, this one is 105.
No, this is the semi-orthopedic.
No, not semi-orthopedic. No,
40,000.
no, it's not semi-orthopedic. So that because that one and this one's body, they are like the same, almost padded the same way.
Everything is padded.
So it was I asked him, how am I supposed to know if this is ordinary or
and the warranty.
Okay, the warranty. Yes, he said the warranty.
And the normal one, it has 4 years warranty. Come and see.
Okay, he says so, Daddy. No, it's not this person. 4 years warranty. Okay. Yeah. These are designed for body support, especially for people with back pain and heavier weight. They also come very expensive. Then there is a semi-orthopedic foam. This is a balance between firmness and comfort. This is a bit fair in prices. Then there is a regular foams, which are more affordable and commonly used in many homes today. The difference is in its density, durability, and the human body weight it can carry. Foam prices here depend on the size, the thickness, and the quality it gives. Foams like orthopedic are more expensive, while regular foams are more affordable because of the durability differences, the thickness, and the extra padding. Prices can also change depending on market demand. As at when I was filming this video, ordinary foam of 4.5 by 6 inches was 120k, while semi-orthopedic of the same size was 175,000 naira. So if you are to come here to buy foams, I will advise you go for foams that suit your body weight, because all of these foams differs in sizes. We have the one of 3 by 6 inches, we have the one of 4 by 6 inches, we have the one of 4.5 by 6 inches, we have the one of 5 by 6 inches, we have the one of 6 by 6 inches, we have the one of 7 by 7. So it is all depending on what you are looking for in the sizes, the body weight and the thickness. To get to this market in Lagos is easy. From anywhere you are, find your way to Mushin. Then from there, board a keke, a tricycle going to post office. Tell them you're dropping at post office where they sell foams. It is always best to come early for best price. If you're buying foam from this market, ask questions. Check for the firmness, check for the price, and don't be in a rush. Patience help you to get better value. If you check for the first seller, it is not giving what you want, go for the second seller, because they have varieties and their prices differ. You can always get what you want in this market. This market is more than just a place to buy mattresses. It supports businesses, homes, and livelihoods across Lagos. If you're furnishing a home or business, this market plays a major role. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and do not forget to subscribe. I am Princess Momoh and I am signing out.